TD Ameritrade Honest Review, watch before using. TD Ameritrade is one of the most well-known names in the online brokerage space, offering a range of tools and features for traders and investors. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy entry point into the world of investing or an experienced trader seeking advanced charting tools, TD Ameritrade has something to offer. In this review, we'll break down the platform's key features, its pros and cons, and who should consider using it. TD Ameritrade provides a robust suite of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and even cryptocurrency. The platform is ideal for both novice investors and experienced traders. The user-friendly interface and educational resources make it a great choice for beginners, while more advanced traders will appreciate the powerful thinkorswim trading platform, which offers professional-grade charting, technical analysis tools, and paper trading. One of the standout features is the lack of commissions on online stock, ETF, and options trades, which positions TD Ameritrade as a highly competitive option for retail traders. Additionally, their extensive research tools, including Morningstar ratings and third-party reports, help you make well-informed decisions. Their customer service is also top-notch, available 24/7 through phone, chat, and email support, which is critical for any investor looking for reliable assistance when needed. For beginners, TD Ameritrade offers a wealth of educational resources like videos, articles, and webinars. Their mobile app is another plus, allowing users to manage their portfolio on the go, track investments, and place trades with ease. The platform also supports retirement accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks, making it a solid option for those focused on long-term savings. On the downside, TD Ameritrade's platform can feel overwhelming for newcomers due to the sheer volume of features, and while the thinkorswim platform is powerful, it may not be intuitive for first-time traders. Additionally, while commissions are free on most trades, some complex options trades, like futures, may incur fees. In conclusion, TD Ameritrade is a great choice for anyone who needs a comprehensive, user-friendly platform with advanced features for serious traders. Whether you're new to investing or already have experience, TD Ameritrade provides the tools and support you need to succeed in the market. But if you're looking for an ultra-simplified platform, you might want to look elsewhere.